If your idea of luxury is walking straight to the beach from your home, then don't go. This might be the rarest beachfront lifestyle in Pattaya right now. Welcome to Sea Spy Jomtien, a 49-story tower with a beautiful ocean views and modern facility design that give you a true beachfront lifestyle. Right now, we're standing at the front of the showroom. Let's go inside and see what they got for you. This project is located on Jomtien Beach Road. Total, they have 49 floors and this is the model. The construction is already started and will be completed in 2029. And this is the model of the project. As you can see, you will have so many facilities like the ground floor, you will have beautiful swimming pool that direct sea view. In the lobby, you will have 4 elevators for residents and 1 elevator for service. On the 22nd and 23rd, you will have so many facilities too, like swimming pool, kids pool, meeting room, sauna, gym. On the top of the building, 49th floor, you will have public swimming pool, sky gym, sky garden, and you can see direct sea view. You can see the island sunset, which is very beautiful. Now let me show you the actual room. Now I'm on the up floor. There are 2 showrooms here, but I will start from studio room type, which is 29 square meters first. Let's go inside. Once you step inside, you will see big refrigerator. Ta-da! You can fit everything here. I like it. And over here, this is your kitchen. You have everything you need. You can cook for breakfast, dinner, lunch, perfect for everyone. And this is your storage that you can put all the ingredients and dishes. It's very practical. Right here too, you see, you have tons of space to put everything you need. And right here you have combo washing machine and dryer, so when you wash your clothes you don't have to hang it on outside. And over here, this is your closet. You have so much space to fit all your clothes and your bags. I like it because I'm a woman. And look at the design inside. I like the curve here and I like how they design it. It's very smart. And over here, this is lovely dining. Perfect for 2. I like it. And come over here, this is my favorite area. As you can see, you can put a makeup on here or you can turn it as your desk for working, reading, actually do everything you want. And the good thing for this developer that what you see here in the video is what you get. You will have the light like this, the curve design like this, even the back of the bed like this. You get everything. This is very good, like you don't have to pay any money for extra. Yeah. And right here you see the big screen TV, you also get it, and right here too. You have extra space to fit all your stuff. Isn't it so good? Let me close it. And right here, come over here. This is your balcony that you can see the ocean view. Very good. It's so good, convenience, and this is your king size bed. You get everything. The AC, the curve, the material that they use for design. Oh, let me show you the bathroom. This is also my one of favorite area. This is so lovely. It's not like you are living in your home, but it's like when you travel for vacation and you go to some place and you see the design like this, the towel, the curve of the mirror and everything, the decoration, also the smart toilet. I loved it. And this is your shower area. Okay, this is for studio room type, and for me, I really like this unit type because it's also perfect for one single person or even a couple. You have enough space for living. But if someone wants something bigger, let me show you the 1 bedroom unit. Let's go. This is one bedroom unit type, 39 square meters. As you can see, once you step inside, you will see how open it is. And right now, I'm standing in the kitchen area. You have bigger space for cooking, but once again, what you see in this video is what you get. You will have the fitted like this. You have tons of space to fit all your stuff, your ingredient dishes, and big refrigerator. Perfect. And you also have a little corner here. I like it, like how lovely it is. Like you can put your wine or your small drinks. And yes, you have combo washing machine and dryer, so you can finish all your clothes here inside. And this is your microwave. You get everything you need. And come over here. This is the bathroom. Same designs, lovely, but you have bigger space. Perfect for couple or family living. You have smart toilet and shower area. You see? I love the tile, the design, the tone is very beautiful. And because this project is not far from the beach, it's direct sea view. So the design, the mood and tone, the color that they use is matched with the, how to say, like the ocean vibe, you know? Yeah. And over here, this is lovely dining table, perfect for 4 people, your family, your friends, or your partner. And this is your cozy living area that's connected to the dining area. Oh, this feels so good because when you're sitting here, you have the AC point right on you, and plus you have big screen TV to watch your favorite show with your family. And beside that, you have the big window to enjoy the ocean view. Now let's see the bedroom. And this is the bedroom area. Over here you have your little spot for putting makeup and the closet. You have enough space to put your clothes and your bags. And if you wonder how it's been one bedroom because all the area is connected like this, here you have glass sliding door. Whenever you want to have your private zone, private space, you can close it like this and you can open it like this to have more space. Very convenient, so lovely. And this is your king size bed. And let me show you outside of the balcony. Ta-da! This is so good, feels so good. You can sit here, enjoy your morning coffee while you're looking at the beautiful ocean view. And for someone who is looking for a big space for living with your big family, come with me. This is 2-bedroom, 67 square meters. When I come here, I feel like I'm at home because you have big space for living. And this is guest bedroom. It's so beautiful. It comes like same style. Very beautiful. And right here, this is your bedroom. You can turn it as your office, your bedroom for the kids, and guest bedroom. And you have high to ceiling window to enjoy your view like this. Now let's check out the sharing space. So beautiful. And over here, this is your kitchen area. You also have your mini counter bar for make some drink for celebration with your friend and your family. You have refrigerator and tons of space for cooking. It's very practical. You have big burner stove, microwave, and the storage for fit all your stuff and ingredients. And right here, this is your lovely dining table. Consider for 4 people, perfect for family, or if you want to live with your friend, your partner. And this is the cozy living area. It's very cozy. I like how they design. Like I like all the curve. If you notice, I feel like the curve is remind me of the wave of the ocean, and it's also safe for, I mean, like if you have small kid with your family, it's very safe for the kid. Yeah. And this is the highlight of this unit. You have big balcony and jacuzzi outside. When you get into the jacuzzi, you can enjoy your beautiful ocean view. And right here, you also have space for relax, enjoy the morning coffee, or how to say, like dinner with your partner is very good. And this is master bedroom. Let's check it out. Ta-da! It's so beautiful, isn't it? You have your beautiful view, and this room is also connected to the balcony also. You have king size bed, big screen TV, and the closet that can fit all your clothes and your bags. And come over here, this is the bedroom. I like this bedroom so much because you have bathtub like this, and you can also enjoy the view when you shower. This is so cool, you see? It's so beautiful, and you have big space to do your thing like shower, get dressed, makeup, smart toilet, sink with a beautiful towel like this. So good. And that were the showroom of Sea Spy. I already have shown you studio room, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. What do you think about it? You can leave the comment down below. And the starting price here starts from 4.2 million baht. If you want more information or private consultant, you can contact us anytime, select Sales Center, or click the link down below. Thank you so much. Bye.